You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say some of the longest and most confusing words in English. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning and having fun with that. How do you say it? Plokmijnuhbygvtfcrdxeszwaq. And now you know. Just play that again if you have any doubt. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many mispronounce. You won't anymore after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful or entertaining. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.